Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So when it comes to portrait and caricatures on Fiverr, there are several key features that are particularly relevant. I'm sure that we all know about Fiverr, and if this is the first time you hear about the name, I already talked about the website on my channel. You can just check it out and see what these websites here. And so the Fiverr is an online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients seeking various services. And now for the portrait and caricatures, we will know this key feature or this service very specifically. So let's choose the official site, Fiverr, cartoon, portrait, design, caricature yourself from pictures. Let's choose this one. So there is the home page. I already show you how to create an account on Fiverr. So this is my account on Fiverr. The video is already in my channel. Okay, you can just check the videos and you will find it. So here about the cartoon portrait designs, you will find them here. We have millions of designs. You can just choose what you want. We have different prices from 10, from 5, and also from 13, 25. You can filter what you want to see by these four services here: the service option, the type, portrait, Pete portrait, calculator, other, or the seller details, top rated seller, level 1, level 2, new seller, and more. And for the budgets, I mean the price, the minimum and the maximum. And for also delivery time, express 24 hours or up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or any time. That means you have no problem with time that deliver be. And also you can choose from this tree here. Is also for the filtering. For if you want the pro service, you can just click on it to activate it. So now we are in the pro services. The price is also changed until the pro price 600 from $100. And if you want to see about the local seller or online seller, you can just click on it to activate it. When it's become green, that means it's activated. And after that, you can just check all the designs and choose what you want and what is going to be the best for you. Like example, let's choose one and I will show you different information that you will find on the design. Okay, let's choose like example this one. This is the seller, Sadiq Anadam, and they tell you that I will draw a funny caricature. He have 4.9 star and 208 one that it's buy from him this gig, and it starts from $10. Let's choose it and see what is going to present to us from the information about it. The information about the gig, you will find it inside for the gig, okay? And you can see other designs for the same seller. So is online, not online, because this point is not green. So after that, to buy the gig from this seller, you need first to choose the plan. It's the perfect for you. We have 3 plans: the basic one, standard, and the premium. For the basic one, we have $10 will be the total with these services over here. 1 head to shoulder tone, calculator with flat colors plus plain or gradient background, 3 days delivery, 3 revision. And if you buy $10, you will get 1 figure, printable resolution file, add background scene, include colors and illustration, and commercial use. Okay. And for the second plan, for the standard, we have $25. We have one full body tune, calculator with shading plus plain Guardians background. We have 3 days delivery and 3 revision, like the basic. One figure, one printable resolution file, add background scene, include colors and illustration, include entire body illustration and commercial use. For the premium plan, it's $40. We have one full body tone calculator with cell shading and a cartoon fight background and props. 5 days delivery, 6 revision, not the same with the standard and the basic. One figure, one include source file, principal resolution file, add background scene, include colors and illustration, include entire body illustration and commercial use. So to use or to start with the plan that you want, you need just to choose what you want, like example the basic one, and go to the continue, click on it, choose the quantity, and this information here. Do you want the extra fast 1 day delivery? You will add $5. Do you want to include source file? Would add $5 other dollars. Okay, now the total will be $10. Let's click on continue. And you will go directly to the page that you will give them the information about the payment card. First thing, you need to choose the method that you want to pay with it. We have this cards, Visa, MasterCard, and more. And after that, you need to enter the card number, the expiration date, the month, year, security code, and the first and the last name. And if you want to pay by PayPal, after that, you need to confirm and pay from here, okay? And if you want to pay with the PayPal, you need just to click on it without filling that information before. And click on the PayPal checkout, and you will just pay with the PayPal. Okay, let's come back, and you can just continue seeing the other calculators or caricatures and choose from it what you want. You can add another caricature. You can choose another one before you pay, of course. You find here a lot of actors. The one who acts in John Wick, and a lot of caricatures here. So I hope you guys understand, and I hope you like the video. If you do that, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like these. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye-bye to the next video and next websites. I hope you still in good health until that time.